In question number 5, these 4 points are given and we have to show AB equals to 2CD. We have written this given 4 points. Then from that we can solve by two way, this one and this another one. Here we have written distance formula in AB and here in square form. Here AB equals to 2CD we have to prove. That's why we have taken here AB, then we have taken CD. For AB, this B coordinates are x2, y2 and this A coordinates are x1, y1. So in place of x2 we have used here 10 and x1 2, then y2 0 and y1 6. Then 10 minus 2 is 8. 0 minus 6 is minus 6, 8 square is 64, minus 6 square 36, this adding 100, then square root of 100 is 10, and this side we have written this AB square, only just this root square root is removed when we write here square this side. When we write here without square, then root will be this side. When we write here square, then root will be not written here, and other things are same, and at last finally we have to find AB again when we do by this process. When we write here AB, then this square goes to another side and become square root, and square root of 100 is 10 units. From both process we get AB equals to 10 units. Similarly, from both process we get CD equals to 5 units. For CD, these coordinates of C are x1, y1 and of D are x2, y2. Here this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. x2 is here 1, x1 is 4, y2 is minus 2 and y1 is minus 6. Here also same thing. And after this finding AB and CD either by this way or by this way, then in both process after finding AB and CD we have to divide 1 by 2. We can divide 1 by 2 or 2 by this 2 by 1. Here also this 1 by 2 or 2 by 1. AB is 10, so when we write here AB first, then we must write this side first 10, then CD down, then here down also 5, and 5 on the 5 and 5 to the 10, so this is 2 by 1, and when we cross multiply this, AB into 1 is AB and CD into 2 is 2CD. Thus we have proved this AB equals to 2CD. In question number 6, these 3 points are given and we have to prove this AB equals to 3BC. For this we have found first this AB, then BC. Here AB square is equal to this x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus yn square, and BC square also same. We have written by using distance formula. For this x1 y1 is coordinates of A and x2 y2 is coordinates of B. So this x2 1 minus then x1 this 4, then plus, then this y2 8 minus, then this y1 2, and here this side x2 y2 is coordinate of C and x1 y1 is coordinate of B. This, so x2 is 2 minus x1 is 1 plus, then this y2 is up this 6, then minus, then y1 is 8. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 square, then 8 minus 2 6 square, this minus 3 square is 9, and plus 6 square is 36, this 9 plus 36 is 45, and this square we have taken another side and that becomes square root, this 45 we have factorized and 1 is written in power of 2 so that it can be taken out. This becomes 3 root 5, and this side 2 minus 1 is 1, then 6 minus 8 is minus 2, and 1 square is 1, minus 2 square is 4, 1 plus 4 5. Then BC equals to, when this square is taken to another side, becomes root. Then we have divided this equation 1 by this equation 2. As we have written here AB first, so we must write this first, 3 root 5, then BC root, this side root 5, then this root 5 cancel and it becomes 3, and down here becomes 1. Then we have cross multiplied AB into 1 is AB, and BC into 3 is 3 BC. Question number 7 is, show that the points these three are equidistant from origin. It means these 3 points are at equal distance from origin. Meaning of this equidistance is at equal distance. In given question, only these coordinates are given. We have supposed the point A, B and C also here. Let these points be 3 points. Then we have to prove from origin these points are equal. It means we have to show this distance OA, OB and OC are equal. For this we are going to find OA, OB and OC. OA square equals to this, using distance formula we can directly write OA square equals to x square plus y square also, and this x and y are coordinates of this point A. This formula is only applied for origin, because in this formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, because one point is origin, so x2 minus 0 square plus y2 minus 0 square. This become x2 minus 0 is x2 square plus y2 minus 0 is y2 square. Because there is only one point, we can consider this x2 as x only and y2 as y only. So this becomes x square plus y square. In that way we have done here. Then using distance formula we have found OA 5 units, OB also 5 units and OC also 5 units. In this way we have found all equal, hence given points are equidistant from origin. Question number 8 is, show that the points these three are equidistant from this point, these 2, 3. These 3 points we have supposed A, B and C, and this point from which we have to prove equidistance we have supposed D. These points are to be proved equidistant from this point, that is we have to prove this DA, DB and DC equal. This figure is not necessary, but it is better to draw. Now dA square equals to this, here x2 y2 is coordinates of this A and x1 y1 is coordinate of D. So in place of x2 we have written this 4 minus x1 is this 2, then 6 is y2 and y1 is 3 from here. Then by doing this all calculation, at last we get this. Similarly we get DB and DC root 13, and hence this DA equals to DB equals to DC is proved. That means these points, these 3 points are equidistant from this point consisting coordinates 2, 3 is proved.